This is the elevator at the Plaza Condo in Sarasota, Florida. It was originally an old General, but was sadly modernized by probably Florida Elevator with innovation prestige. A very annoying fan. 3. Here you go. Oh no, it was right way elevator. It was pretty quick though here. 3. Smells like hydraulic fluid in here. Back down to 1. Certificate. It's a basic Faker Grain original cab. They did not redo the cab during the mod. Kind of dark. It was only one fluorescent light on each end. There's the fan, which is again annoying. Then I got 1. I don't know what that was. I think that's gonna be it.